Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to mark specific chats as unread on Facebook using your PC. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of important conversations that you might need to revisit later. Let's dive right into the steps. First, start by opening your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface with various icons at the top. Look for the Messenger icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to open your Messenger inbox. Now, navigate through your chats to find the one you want to mark as unread. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a message from a business contact. Once you've located the chat, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice 3 small dots appearing on the right side of the chat. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to managing your chat. Look for the option that says Mark as Unread. Click on this option to change the status of the chat from read to unread. This simple action will help you keep track of chats that you still need to respond to or follow up on. Using this feature is especially helpful if you're managing multiple conversations at once and need to prioritize your responses. By marking a chat as unread, you can ensure that you don't miss any important messages or forget to reply to someone. This feature is also useful in a work environment or when managing a business page. It helps you stay organized and focused on the messages that require your immediate attention. So whether you're using Facebook for personal or professional purposes, marking chats as unread can be a game changer for your productivity. That's it. With these easy steps, you can now mark specific chats as unread on Facebook using your PC. This feature is simple, yet powerful, and it's available right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Facebook and Messenger efficiently.